Today we'll learn how can you convert ordinary adhesives like this and this into a super glue and super adhesive with extraordinary strength that can be used for even metals and stones. Okay, so first of all we have this sand and we'll filter it. So we have filtered sand. Let's okay, so this is the first part. Now we'll apply adhesives in this. These are ordinary airtight tubes. They are already strong enough, so we are putting it here. Now this is the second one, the combination of airtight tube. We have to add the same amount. And this is heat proof, we call adhesive. So this will give strength and will allow you to use it even on the surfaces that come in the touch of excessive heats. This will add additional strength on this. This much is sufficient for the quantity we have taken. Now let's start mixing it. Now we have solution ready, and this can be used to fix anything, be it plastic, be it metal, be it steel, be it stone or anything. And you should apply it on the surface, and you should make fast because it will catch the surface faster than the original solution.